program is providing supply chain fundamentals to Novartis social business partners. We came over for this workshop to provide this to Ethiopia Red Cross. And then we deep dive into their own processes to identify gaps and challenges and work with them for them to identify mitigation actions. And then finally, we work with them to build a sustainable roadmap.
My part here is to bring the quality knowledge to our distributor. In the case of the Ethiopian Red Cross organization, they have a very big network around the country, so they have pharmacies and drugstores in all the different regions in Ethiopia. So it was the first chance for most of them to really get to know each other and to be together and to share experiences and best practices between the regions and the different pharmacies. I work, of course, every day with quality, but the quality challenges that we have are quite different to the ones that we observe here.
In this volunteering project, I'm able to bring across the process excellence for the teams down here. And I believe strongly that that builds the basis to make sure that Novartis gets the information that we need so that our manufacturing sites are able to produce and possibly produce at less costs, which then in the end profits the patients.
Supply chain is really the backbone, and if they get it right, the patient will be really satisfied that they can rely on Red Cross to provide them their medicine at any time. We also want participants to tell us their personal stories, what they encounter with NCDs, or maybe experience with unavailability of drugs.
When we leave the workshop, to make sure that it's sustainable, what we do is make sure that the local person is in contact with a third party and follows up on a monthly or quarterly basis and make sure the metrics are measured. And we, going back to Basel, will be monitoring in 8 to 12 weeks to ensure that the understanding is still there, and if there's anything else we can refresh and just make sure that it's sustainable.
One of the important moments of the workshop that comes at the end is with regards to the commitments. They will feeling part of a group and feeling that they are going to improve something together.
They have understood what we said, and they are really committed to make a change with the right mindset to serve the patients better.
When the participants come to you and thank you for being there, for sharing the knowledge with them, yeah, that's when you think, okay, you are happy with yourself and glad with yourself.
I haven't got such a kind of equality training in my life. They addressed all the gaps in each supply chain processes.
It enables us to have the right product at the right time with the right quantity. We will dispense for the right patients. By these methods, we improve our supply chain management.
I have a team there waiting home. So I will give them a short training about what I learned here.
I hope that at the end of the day, our customers, our end users, low-income patients can benefit a lot.